या तो तुम आत्मा की हटा दिया गया, आत्मा में कोई आदमी किसी को अपना ड्यूटी ठीक से करने नहीं दिया, ले आप
मणिपुर एक ऐसी जगह कहते हैं जो स्वर्ग है, और इतनी सुंदर जगह है, और उस सुंदर जगह को हिंसा ने इस कदर लपेट लिया अपनी में कि लोग लड़ रहे हैं, मर रहे हैं और शांत नहीं हो रही। मैं बात कर रहा हूँ दो समुदाय की कि किस तरीके से उनके अंदर आपसी विवाद रहा, और मेरी एक वीडियो भी थी, काफ़ी वायरल हुई। सर थे उसमें, स्टूडेंट लीडर हैं, कुकी समाज से आते हैं, और आज यहाँ प्रोटेस्ट हो रहा है। सेपरेट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की बात हो रही थी, कुकी लैंड की बात हो रही थी, तो कुछ सवाल अनकहे रह गए। इनका कहना है कि आज ये सब सवालों का जवाब देंगे, वो चाहे सेपरेट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की बात हो, चाहे कुकी लैंड की बात हो, चाहे पॉपी कल्टीवेशन की बात हो, चाहे सस्पेंशन ऑफ ऑपरेशन की बात हो, चाहे इलीगल इमिग्रेंट्स की बात हो, चाहे हथियारों की बात हो, सभी पर खुलकर जवाब देंगे और अपना पक्ष रखेंगे। मैं ये कतई नहीं चाहता कि एक ही पक्ष आए, सबका पक्ष आना चाहिए। मुझ पर बहुत सारे आरोप भी लगे, लोगों ने कहा कि मैतई समाज की तरफ से मैं आया हुआ हूँ, तो मैं किसी की तरफ से नहीं आया। हम जंतर मंतर कवर करते हैं, चाहे वो मैतई आए चाहे कुकी आए, हम सवाल पूछते हैं और सवालों का जवाब चाहते हैं। So we have with us Mr. Student leader. You are very famous student leader. So my first question is, what do you want to say about this protest?
Yeah, this protest is a continuous chain of a demand for UT, chain of political demand for UT. Separate administration is such a word which is ambiguous. This time I want to use explicitly, which is union territory under 239A of Indian Constitution.
You want union territory?
Yeah, union territory.
Union territory in Manipur.
Yeah,
A new union territory in Manipur.
Union territory in India, not in Manipur.
Okay, you can say like this.
Yeah.
Why this region that you want union territory? Because there is a Ladakh is also made the union territory. You are going on the same track.
Yeah, we have seen many instances of discrimination against the Kuki people. Let's say this
What kind of
violence,
discriminations?
discrimination in terms, let's say education, let's put. We have, say, 11 universities. Out of this, only one university in hill areas. And
But the hill area have the land problem. You know, university has a campus.
it's not about land problem. It's about greed for knowledge of the Métis. They concentrate these 10 universities in this 10% of their land only. Why not to other tribal areas?
But in 10% land, most of the population in 10% land.
Yeah, population
You-
may
you-
be there, but the land,
You have a 90% land.
yeah, 90% land, but we
But it
cannot
is
go
not-
down. We cannot go down to Imphal and get the
Why-
education there.
From 1 year ago,
Yeah.
the people will go to Imphal. There was no problem. Then suddenly
There was a problem. Who told you there was not a problem? They
people
killed
living
us.
in Imphal peacefully.
Yeah.
People living
Before
in.
this violence broke out, there was
So who
this.
start this violence?
The Métis. It's very clear. The Métis started because they burnt the pride of the Kuki people. That is the centenary gate of the Anglo-Kuki
You are
war.
saying Meitei, but the march is from your side, na?
Yeah,
People-
March.
Your
March.
people were there.
There was a tribal solidarity. So tribal solidarity march by the Kukis and Nagas.
So how can Meitei do?
Why don't attack to the Nagas? Attack selectively to the Kukis.
But
That
you
means
are
there was
saying
something ulterior motive behind attacking the Kuki people.
You are saying that there is a march that is started by your community or tribal people. You are saying
Yeah, tribal
the majority of the people is your community. How they can do the violence there? How can?
It's the
if
Meitei people. It's the
majority will do the thing, na? Majority
Yeah.
will do in your march. Your people in the majority. How can you how can you put the allegations on the Meitei community that the
It's not allegation, it's a fact. It's a fact. They
They
are
go to
the
court.
one.
They go to court for the ST status. They go to court.
Yeah.
So you should go to court. Why you are taking these steps to taking
It's a
march?
peaceful demonstration. It's a democratic country. Why cannot we organize such a peaceful demonstration like
Okay,
the one we organize?
You can organize, but
Yeah.
you are blaming the Meitei community that the violence is driven by them.
Yeah.
But the majority of the people from your side, so how can they do? My question is this: how can they do? Suppose there is a thousands of Kuki communities there.
Yeah.
Somebody is saying that Manoj myself is doing the violence. I can't do because the most of the people from your side. So how is it possible? My question is this.
Yeah, that's very tactical of their side. How they sneak? How did they sneak into the land of the Kuki?
Okay.
And they burn that centenary, get their lives in the interior part of the Kuki land. Let's say Kuki people. Don't always mind whenever I use the term Kuki land.
Are you from media or are you interrogating me?
No, I'm
No, no.
not interrogating.
I have seen your
She's
previous-
blaming. She's blaming.
No, I know.
I've seen your
You can
previous
come.
interview
You
to
can.
him.
No
You're
issue.
interrogating. If you want to interrogate,
Please come,
do it
please.
somewhere
Yeah.
else,
Please,
not here.
please,
No
please
issue.
come.
He
Not
is.
here, I have
he
to-
is-
No, I'm giving that second chance. I'm giving the second chance.
No issue. He is a Meitei leaning journalist.
can't be biased.
I take
You
that
can't be biased.
for granted. No issue.
No, I have only put the question,
Yeah.
or you are blaming me that
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
from Meitei side. Okay,
Yeah,
let's-
you could be.
Okay,
High
okay.
possibility. High possibility.
1% is I'm not from that side. 1% is there because you should be. I can say that you are from the intruders. This is not the way we are talking. You are from Kuki. You are
Yeah.
Indian. I'm also Indian.
Yeah, we are both
And
Indians.
the question is in our democracy. The question can be put it by. What about the separate administration?
Yeah, we have been separated. We don't want suppression anymore. To avoid suppression, we are asking for separation.
Okay.
In the form of UT under Article 239A.
Suspension of operation. Operation. You are saying that last time the violence is going on from the both sides. You have agreed. You have also agreed that there is some sophisticated weapons. You have agreed. So why the people? The news from the Imphal is coming that the some Meitei people put their guns down. They surrender their arms. Is there any news from the Kuki community that they are surrendering?
Yeah, they have also surrendered a lot of a good percentage of the arms. But
Any
see-
incidents you
see-
remember? Any incident? Any big incident you remember?
No, see. Out of more than 7,000 looted arms, only 300 submitted. What would
But
that
there
mean?
is a news, na? There is.
Weapons are ordered and
You just come. If you want to say something,
If you really
please.
want to know, why don't you go to the ground route and go and
I definitely go. If you invite me, I definitely
we have
go to
also
the.
submitted. We have also submitted a good percentage of the arms. We have submitted. You should go through it.
Okay, you are saying that your side also submitted the
submitted,
weapons.
yeah.
Last time you are saying that you were saying that you have a sophisticated weapons just like a cannon. That is very.
That time I was not aware.
Okay.
I came to be aware of this only after having
But now
submitted.
you are denying that fact.
No,
You don't
didn't-
have a weapon.
No, I will stand my ground. Then I was not aware that time.
Okay.
I came to be aware of this only when submitted.
It is okay if you are saying that you were not aware in
Yeah,
that
I was
video.
not aware.
That was not my mistake, na?
Yeah, not my mistake either.
Not your mistake, not
Yeah.
my mistake. I have put the questions that you are saying that you have a very explosive traditional weapon.
Yeah, we do have it. We do have it just
Now
for
you-
defense.
Oh.
I even.
Why you always asking about
you come.
No, see, I pointed out that we do have this traditional gun called
Okay, traditional.
Pumpi. That's only for defense. That's very too heavy. We cannot carry around and use it for attacking someone. This for only
For
defense.
showcasing.
For defense. For only
No,
defense.
you are saying the guns for showcasing only. They are.
Did I tell you? Did I tell you that this is for showcasing? No.
No.
This is
You
for
are
only
using
defense.
that.
We are. This is only for.
Okay, you are using
When
that.
only attack comes, that we use only that we have in our
But
possession.
in your defense, you can use the guns, na?
Yeah,
in
sure.
your defense.
Yeah.
There is no army, no CRPF. They are not protecting you, so you are using
Yeah,
that guns.
we-
the presence of the central force.
You can come here. Please come in front of the camera. Yes.
In the presence of the Central Forces,
Come, please.
in the presence of the Central Forces, more than 350 churches and synagogues were burned down and destroyed in far areas and the hilly areas also. And more than 320 were burned down, marauding attack, including the police force and
I'm agree with you. I'm agree with you. My question is, either you are using weapons or not. If you are using weapons, that is not fair, na. You have your own point of view. मैं
Why
तो
not fair?
मैं पूछता हूँ,
If you don't use it, you die. You want to die.
नहीं, I'm
Shall
not
I
saying
kill you
नहीं,
right now?
मैं-
And not you don't defend.
नहीं, I'm not
If I
saying
try to kill you now,
अगर आपको किसी ने आपको हमला करेगा, बंदूक लेके, बम लेके हमला करेगा, तो आप क्या करेगा?
नहीं, तो जिस तरह के हथियार हैं, जिस तरह के हथियार हैं आप नहीं जिस तरह के हथियार हैं, जो ड्रोन्स हैं, मेरी बात सुनिए, एक आम कम्युनिटी होती है या आम लोग होते हैं, उनके पास जिस तरह की रॉकेट लॉन्चर, जो सेना के पास जो हथियार होते हैं, उस तरह के हथियार, ड्रोन्स वगैरह,
सेना क्यों
ये हथियार आ कहाँ से रहे हैं? मेरे को माय क्वेश्चन इज,
हमारा सेना क्यों रखा गया है? हमारे को
रक्षा करने के लिए।
तो
माय क्वेश्चन इज, वेयर दीज वेपन्स कम फ्रॉम?
which weapons?
The rocket launcher, the drones.
Who say rocket launchers? Who say?
I'm not.
Don't allege.
No, I'm not.
Speak with fact. Speak with objectivity.
Listen, my
please.
question.
You are a journalist.
My question is.
You're a journalist. Don't speak allegation basis.
My question is.
Yeah.
Where even from Mehtai side, from your side, there is a weapon. You are agree with that?
Yeah, we agree.
Where these weapons comes from? From your side. You are saying that Mehtai looted.
Ask the same question to them. Get you ask the same
Yes,
question to them.
exactly.
Hey, send
Exactly.
me the clip. Send us the clip.
Definitely,
first,
I will
then
ask.
Only we will
If
talk
they
to
will
you.
come,
If you want to know the ground
We will
reality,
talk
are you want to listen? You can come
no, you're
here.
going
please.
I will not come there.
We don't like
You
that.
have-
You want to speak? You want to speak on this question?
Yeah.
You have full time.
Yeah.
You have full time. You can speak. Where these weapons come from?
and then everything will come up.
Yeah, hardly any 100. Hardly any 100. Yeah, I do agree. This time, only after having submitted, then I came to aware of the fact that we looted.
You are not aware
Hardly any 100.
Okay.
But from my side, it's very clear that it's more than 7,000. Out of which only 300.
2 minutes. There is
Only 300 submitted.
There is one more question. There is a poppy cultivation is there. So what kind of people involved in that? Is there are you aware
Poppy
that?
cultivation has no place in this violence.
Is there poppy cultivation?
It's just a plank used by Biren Singh. So poppy
Biren Singh is
cultivation has nothing
stepped
to do.
down now.
No, this is his product. He cannot be hidden away. He will
You are
always be
saying-
brought out someday or one day or the other day.
Who will do the things? I'm not asking that. I'm asking that poppy cultivation is there in the hill area. Is it okay or not? Is it true or not?
I'm not aware.
Good or not?
If you
Is it good or not?
Yeah, you tell us. Is it good or bad?
No, you can speak. You can speak.
now that
2 minutes बस 2 मिनट. जितन भाई 2 मिनट बस. हाँ.
see, it's not in the hill areas. We heard that there is a poppy cultivation, but it's all both from even Meiteis, Nagas, Kukis.
Mehtai doing the poppy cultivation in
yeah.
hill area.
Why
You are
not?
saying.
Yeah.
But they are
Ask
not allowed
everyone.
to go in hill area. How can they do?
They invest money.
They invest
farmers,
money.
yeah, they
Through
invest
They invest money.
Yeah,
They invest money in cookie community
They are
and they
the
are
drug
doing
cartels.
the
Have you been to
cultivation.
Manipur,
They are
brother?
drug
Have you
cartels.
been to Manipur?
मैं आऊंगा अगर आप बुलाएंगे.
Please,
आप
please.
They
बुलाएंगे.
are the drug cartels.
मतलब आप ये कह रहे हैं कि एक मिनट मैं आप
मैं आपको पूछता हूँ।
एक मिनट मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ जा रहे हैं जाइए मत ऐसे नेगेटिव हो जाएगा वीडियो में नेगेटिव हो जाएगा जाएंगे तो
मैं आपको
देखिए मैं ये पूछ रहा हूँ ये भैया ने बोला मेरी बात सुनिए एक मिनट भाई एक मिनट मैं ये सवाल ये है कि मेरी बात सुनिए इन्होंने ये कहा कि पॉपी कल्टीवेशन हो रहा है और मेहताई उसको फाइनेंस कर रहे हैं इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं और दूसरे लोग कर रहे हैं तो क्या मेहताई कुकीज को पैसा दे रहे हैं पॉपी कल्टीवेशन के लिए
पूरा कम्युनिटी कोई भी इन्वॉल्व होता है सिर्फ कुकी को टारगेट नहीं करना चाहिए नागा भी करता है है, मेटे भी सब इन्वॉल्व है।
सब इन्वॉल्व है ना, मैतई कुकी सब इन्वॉल्व है।
इसमें सिर्फ कुकी को
नहीं, कुकी को ब्लेम नहीं करें,
पूरा कुकी कम्युनिटी को
हम किसी को ब्लेम नहीं कर रहे, हम सिर्फ सच की बात कर रहे हैं। सच्चाई क्या, कुकी कम्युनिटी भी अपने अंदर झांकेगी। आप बताइए, अपने दिल में झांकेंगे कि अगर कुछ गलत हो रहा है तो उसे सही करेंगे। लास्ट टाइम मैंने यही क्वेश्चन पूछा था, अगर कुछ गलत हो रहा है,
सिर्फ कुकी से
नहीं
ब्लेम करेगा,
नहीं, कुकी सुधारेगा क्या अपने अंदर अगर कुछ गलत हो रहा है?
कुकी को एलिगेशन करेगा तो इस
नहीं,
मामले में
एलिगेशन नहीं, अगर कुछ हो रहा है, गलत हो रहा है तो
ठीक नहीं है, फेल नहीं है।
हैं?
सब कम्युनिटी को पूछना चाहिए ऐसा
नहीं,
सवाल।
सबको पूछना चाहिए, लेकिन अगर किसी को पूछा जा रहा है तो क्या वो इसको अपनी गलतियों को स्वीकार करेंगे?
कोई थोड़ा सा ये कम्युनिटी में कोई इन्वॉल्व होने से सब कम्युनिटी को ऐसा इल्जाम नहीं लगाना चाहिए।
बहुत बड़ी बात कही है इन्होंने, बहुत ही मैच्योर बात कही है। किसी कम्युनिटी को इल्जाम नहीं लगाना चाहिए। मैंने बहुत सारे सवाल पूछे, उन सवालों पर फिर भी गोलमोल जवाब था कि भाई हम इस चीज़ को नहीं जानते या हम इन फैक्ट से अवेयर नहीं हैं। लेकिन सवाल अच्छी तरह से कोशिश की। मेरा ये मानना था इस वीडियो को करने का कि मैं फिर से जाऊं, क्योंकि लास्ट टाइम काफ़ी कुछ मेरे बारे में बोला गया था, तो मैंने एक अवसर और दिया है। अब आपके नेता की कमी है, अगर अब भी आपके नेता सही से जवाब नहीं दे पा रहे हैं तो आपके नेता की कमी है। मैं फिर आऊँगा, उन्होंने मुझे बुलाया कि मणिपुर आओ, मैं मणिपुर भी आऊँगा, मैं जहाँ आप बुलाएंगे मैं आऊँगा। लेकिन सवाल तो सवाल बनता है। मैंने सेपरेट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का सवाल पूछा, मैंने वेपन का सवाल पूछा, मैंने ये पूछा जब आपकी आबादी इतनी ज़्यादा थी तो मैतई कैसे हिंसा कर पा रहे थे। मैंने ये पूछा कि पॉपी कल्टीवेशन कौन कर रहा है, तो इन्होंने कहा कि वो तो मैतई पैसा दे रहे हैं। तो क्या ये आपको सही लगता है? अगर आप कुकी कम्युनिटी से हैं, अगर आप मैतई कम्युनिटी से हैं, क्या ये ऐसा लगता है कि जो आपको आप हिल एरिया में आप गलत काम कर रहे हैं तो आप गलत काम के लिए पैसा क्यों ले रहे हैं? अगर आप पॉपी कल्टीवेशन कर रहे हैं इलीगल तरीके से तो उसके लिए मैतई से पैसा ले रहे हैं, मैतई इन्वेस्ट कर रहा है। ये तो बात हजम होने लायक नहीं थी, ये बात मुझे सही नहीं लगी, इसलिए मैंने पूछा। बहुत सारे लोग पीछे से बोलते रहे क्योंकि उनको बुरा लग रहा था कि भाई आपने ऐसा क्यों किया। कुछ लड़कियां थी जो पीछे से बोल रही थी कि नहीं तुम मैतई ने भेजे हो। मैं फिर से कहना चाहता हूं, मैं किसी से भेजा नहीं हूं। हम जंतर मंतर कवर करते हैं, मैतई आते हैं उनसे भी सवाल पूछते हैं, कुकी आते हैं उनसे भी सवाल पूछते हैं, और सवाल पूछना हमारा धर्म है। सवाल किसी को बुरे लग सकते हैं, लेकिन आप व्यक्तिगत राय ना बनाएं। हम आपको पूरा मौका दिया और आप चले गए, कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन मैंने आपको पूरा मौका दिया, मैं फिर मौका दूंगा आपको एक बार और प्लीज़ इस पर अच्छी डिबेट करिए, क्योंकि गाली गलौज से कुछ नहीं मिलता है। आप किसी को एक गाली दोगे, दूसरी कम्युनिटी आके आपको गाली देगी। बैठ के चर्चा करिए और इसका समाधान निकालिए कि कैसे रुकेगा पॉपी प्लांटेशन, कैसे रुकेगा इलीगल इमिग्रेशन, कैसे रुकेगा आपके यहाँ वायलेंस। इस बात पर चर्चा होनी चाहिए। सिर्फ मैं सही हूँ तू गलत है, इससे कुछ नहीं होगा। ये अगर रोकना है तो इसकी जड़ में जाना होगा, पॉपी कल्टीवेशन को ख़त्म करना होगा, इलीगल इमिग्रेंट्स को ख़त्म करना होगा, सस्पेंशन ऑफ ऑपरेशन को फिर से देखना पड़ेगा क्या हो रहा है, हथियार सरेंडर करने पड़ेंगे जैसा कि इन्होंने कहा, लेकिन डेट नहीं बता पाएंगे कब इनको कौन सा हथियार सरेंडर करना है। बहुत सारी बातें हुई, लेकिन आज मुझे लगता है कि इन्होंने जो कहा बहुत ही खुले दिल से कहा, लेकिन फिर भी कुछ लोग इनको पीछे से रोक रहे थे। लेकिन ये स्टूडेंट लीडर बोलते हैं अपने आप को, लेकिन जब इनको कठिन सवाल पूछे जाते हैं तो ये जवाब देने में हिचकिचाते हैं। आपको क्या लगता है ज़रूर कमेंट में लिखिए। देखते रहिए मिनी।